Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from questionablewarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about King Cobra versus Black Mamba. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you can receive updates about my videos and also help my channel grow. Now king cobras are big and they are aggressive, and they are also known to eat other snakes. In a circumstances where king cobra meets a black mamba, it's a possibility that the king cobra will attack the black mamba. Now it depends upon a few things. If the black mamba is longer than the king cobras, then the king cobra may not even attack the black mamba. However, if the king cobra is longer than the black mamba, then the chances are that the king cobra will attack the black mamba. Now, normally when a king cobra does attack this kind of big snakes, they usually do an ambush. They usually capture the snakes with a certain attack into the head, and then they capture it. Since king cobras are predator, they capture snakes. They are well aware of how to hunt other snakes, so they know where to bite and how to do the job. So they are quite well practiced and well suited for this kind of job. Now, when it comes to black mamba, black mambas are also much lighter than the king cobras. King cobras are also heavier. But black mambas is one thing, that is they are really fast. Now, if a king cobra misses the chance, then the chances are that black mamba will immediately go away from that place, and the king cobra won't be able to catch it because they are really fast. Now, both of them are really venomous. Both of them are lethal to humans, and they can kill humans easily. Now, as it has been seen, since the king cobra actually hunts other kind of snake, they are well habituated with the toxic bite from the other snakes, so they don't really get affected by the poison, the venom from the other snakes. And because of that, it's also possible that even if the black mamba starts biting the king cobra, it won't really affect him and it will try to consume him. Now, if a smaller black mamba start to fight a bigger king cobra, the chances are that the black mamba won't be able to last quite long, because the king cobra will start devouring it, and because of their lethal poison and along with that bigger fangs, they have very well developed body that allows them to swallow this kind of snakes. So because of this reason, the king cobra would be able to kill the black mamba much easily instead of the black mamba killing the king cobra, because king cobras are big. All the black mamba can eat them, but they don't usually do that because black mambas eat other kind of they have different kind of diet, and they don't usually eat this kind of snakes. So because of that, the black mamba even may not even eat the king cobra even if it manages to kill it. So the king cobra will eat the black mamba. So it's really a factor that in the wild anything can happen, and of course king cobras will look for other snakes actively. So because of that, if black mambas lives in the region of the king cobra will actively look for this kind of opportunities where the black mamba is not aware and then strike them. Although they may not always be successful, but they are definitely tried. Now, in certain cases, it has been seen that even after trying with other snakes, the king cobras also get injured. So it's not that the black mamba is going to give up without a fight. There will be a lot of fighting, and it's also that thing that the king cobra can also get injured. But if the king cobra is big, then it will be a game over for the black mamba, because their body is designed in a way that allows them to actually eat other snakes. Where the black mamba's body is not designed in that way, it will allow him to actually eat the snakes. So, and they are not actually looking for snakes. They have other diet, like I mentioned before. They can eat other foods and can live with that. However, king cobra won't do that. They will eat the foods, the snakes, and whatever they can get, whatever they can swallow, because they can eat different kind of things, including snakes. And since they have been living on for so many years eating other snakes, they have gotten tolerant to different kind of poisons, different kind of venoms. So their poison, also the venom of black mamba, is also not very effective on king cobras. As a result, chances of king cobra winning is much higher compared to that black mamba. However, the king cobra won't attack a black mamba if that is much longer than the king cobra. Now, I am selling an ebook known as Begone Pest ebook that will allow you to get rid of various kind of pests like mosquito, bedbugs, flies, caterpillars, cockroaches, mouse, rats, and even ants. So, and there are more also. So if you are really willing to get rid of this kind of pest, and this pest are troubling you, just go and check on the link in the description below, or click on www.petsymblewarrior.com/begonepest and purchase it over there. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to click on the like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.